The benefits of reading 10 pages a day. Emma loved buying books but rarely finished any of them. Her shelves were full of stories she started but never completed. One day, her friend Olivia visited her and noticed the stacks of untouched books. Emma, how many of these books have you actually read? Olivia asked with a curious smile. Emma laughed nervously. Not many. I always feel like I don't have time to read. Olivia sat down next to her. What if you read just 10 pages a day? It's not a lot, but it adds up over time. Emma raised an eyebrow. Only 10 pages? That doesn't seem like much. It's not about how much you read at once, Olivia explained. It's about building a habit. 10 pages a day is enough to finish multiple books in a year without feeling overwhelmed. Emma decided to give it a try. The next morning, she chose a novel she had abandoned months ago. She made herself a cup of coffee, sat by the window, and began reading. 10 pages later, she closed the book with a satisfied smile. It was easier than she expected. She repeated the habit every day. Some days, she read in the morning. Other days, she read before going to bed. After 1 week, Emma had already finished the first few chapters of her book. She began to look forward to her daily reading time. By the end of the month, Emma had read 300 pages and completed her first book in a long time. She picked another book from her shelf and kept going. Over time, Emma noticed changes in her life. Reading helped her relax after busy days. It became a peaceful escape from screens and social media. She discovered new ideas and learned new words, which made her feel smarter and more curious. One day, Olivia asked, "How's your 10-page-a-day habit going?" Emma grinned. "It's amazing. I finished 2 books already and started a third. I feel so accomplished." Olivia nodded. That's the beauty of small habits. They may seem small, but they can make a huge difference over time. Emma also realized that reading gave her something to talk about. At work, she shared interesting facts from nonfiction books. With her friends, she discussed characters and themes from novels. She became more confident in conversations and felt more connected to others. Reading also improved her focus. She found it easier to concentrate at work and during long meetings. The discipline of reading 10 pages every day spilled over into other parts of her life. After several months, Emma had finished many books she had always wanted to read. She felt proud of her progress and enjoyed recommending books to others. One evening, her colleague Sam asked her, "How do you find the time to read so much?" Emma smiled. "I don't spend hours reading. I just read 10 pages a day. It's not about how much time you have. It's about being consistent." Inspired by Emma's story, Sam decided to try the same habit. Soon, they started exchanging book recommendations and discussing what they were reading. Emma realized that her 10-page-a-day routine didn't just help her finish books. It also gave her a sense of achievement, brought her closer to others, and made her daily life more meaningful.